Hello students, welcome back. Let us learn a new concept, that is the volume of right circular cone. So how do we understand this concept? Let's take a right circular cylinder of height h and base radius r. So from this region to this region the length is r. Now let's take a cone of the same height and same radius. So this region is r and this length measures h. Now what you are going to do is tilt this upside down, that is this conical edge would be at the base and this portion would be at the top. Keep this lid open for the cylinder and just fill in some sand until the brim in this cone and keep filling it in the cylinder. When you fill it for the first time, it will cover maybe this much. Some portion of the cylinder would be empty. Again for the second time, it would fill in this much. And the third time when you fill in this cone up to the brim with sand and pour that sand into the cylinder, you will realize that the cylinder will now get filled up by sand until the brim. This means what? That the volume of cone is 1/3 the volume of cylinder. So, volume of right circular cone, I am just saying cone, is equal to 1/3 volume of cylinder. So, volume of cone is going to be what? We have learnt that the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. This is going to be 1/3 pi r square h. This is as simple as it. So height is the perpendicular height and not the length. So now let's take a look at a solved example on page solved example number 15 on page 232. It states that the dimensions of a cone are the slant height. This height out, suppose this is the cone. The slant height L is equal to 28 centimeters. And the perpendicular height is 21 centimeters. We need to find the volume of the cone. So the volume of the cone we know is 1/3 pi r square h. We already have this value h, right? We have this length h. We need to find the radius. So how do we find the radius? Using Pythagoras theorem, because we know that this height is going to be perpendicular. So using Pythagoras theorem, that is L square is equal to r square minus h square, you will get the radius. So let's find this out. We know that L square is equal to r square plus h square. Therefore, r square is equal to L square minus h square. And here I am going to say Pythagoras theorem. So r is going to be under root of L square minus h square. So this is nothing but, what is the length? It's 28 square minus 21 square. Now 28 is the same as 7 4s are 28 and this is 7 3s are 21. So this can be further written as 7 into 4 minus 7 into 3 square and square. So this is nothing but 7 square, under root of 7 square into 4 minus 3, 4 square minus 3 square, right? So 7 square, 7 comes out and we are left inside with 16 minus 9. So 16 minus 9 is what? 7. So this is 7 root 7 centimeters. This is the radius r. So we have the radius and we have the height. We can easily find the volume of the cone, which is 1/3 pi r square h. So I'll say volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, which is 1/3 into 22/7 into 7 root 7 the whole square into h, which is 21. So 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. And this will be 22 into 7 into 7 into root 7 into root 7, right? And when I square this term, what do I get? 7 root 7 the whole square, which is 7 square into root 7 the whole square. So 7 square into root 7 the whole square. Got that? So this is going to be 22 into 7 sevens are 49 into root 7 into root 7 is going to give you 7. So let's check now. I am calculating 22 into 7 first. So 22 into 7 will give me 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14, 154 into 49. So 154 into 49 can be written as 154 into 50 minus 1. You could have even taken 40 plus 9 instead of 50 minus 1. What I am doing is just splitting 49 into the sum of its terms or the difference of its terms, 50 minus 1. So 154 into 50 will give me 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 7700 minus 154. Let's check this. 7700 minus 154. So I am left with 6, 9 minus 5, 4, then 6 minus 1, 5, 7. 7546 centimeter cubes. This is going to be the volume of your cone. And it is also the answer. So please take a look at the solution. Let me just write this 7 a little more clearly. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.